Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Everything Gadgets Pro. In this video I'm going to introduce a new Windows app to you guys. This app is exclusive to iPhone users. This app allows iPhone users to mirror their iPhone to a Windows PC or laptop without any Apple TV. The application's name is Lonely Screen and the link to download it is given in the description of the video. Without any further delay, let's go straight to our video. Keep watching guys. For mirroring an iPhone to a PC or a laptop, the main thing you need is an iPhone and a laptop or a PC. And then you need an active Wi-Fi connection, and both the laptop and the iPhone must be connected on the same Wi-Fi network. After making sure both your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, now head straight to your computer and open the Lonely Screen app, where a new window will appear with a picture of a computer in it. When you open the app, you can rename the Lonely Screen or the AirPlay system, or you can set it to default, where the default name of the AirPlay connection will be Lonely Screen. Now head to your iPhone and make sure that it is connected in the same Wi-Fi as that of your laptop. Now head to Control Center and select the name you have given for AirPlay connection by tapping Screen Mirroring using 3D Touch. Now your iPhone is mirrored to a laptop or PC, and now you can enjoy your iPhone in a much bigger screen. This type of screen mirroring can be applied to all your iPhones and not just those with the 3D touch. If you want to enjoy AirPlay connection or don't want to mirror your iPhone to your PC anymore, head to Control Center and select Screen Mirroring from there. Then you will see an option for Stop Mirroring. Select that option and your iPhone will no longer be connected to your PC or laptop. It's that easy to mirror your iPhone to an external display, and there is no need for Apple TV to mirror your iPhone from now on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. I will get back to you guys soon with another video. Till the next time we meet, peace.